ngifuna umuntu owakhe isitolo ozothi yena ngifuna ukusukumisa ibhizinisi lami anginalutho ibhizinisi lami liyawa ngintshontshola abasebenzi bami phakathi esitolo ngifuna ukulungisa leli business lami call center yami abantu engisebenza nabo bathatha ama client bawamixa kwamanye ama client ufuna ukucontrola le environment yakho nalabantu sifuna sikwakhe kunento efuna sikufake zona cala sikucala ngo grade 1 ukuthi wena udinga ukuthi sibuyisa amadlozi wakho la ngazokwazi ukukucocela ngebusiness lelo lakhile sikunto sikufaka zona emzimbeni bese sikuhlambulule sikubuyisele sikwakhele ini ikhamba lebusiness ikhamba lebusiness likhuluma nawe nebusiness yakho not ngemali eza kubusiness yakho likutshela ama strategies wena ngamanye amagama so ne board meeting yakho ehlele endlini whoever that you are ama shareholders naye uyasowazi ukuthi uyothini uyoncoba lapha ngamanye amagama sithi thina ungena ku board meeting wazi ukuthi kuyothi wani but you're just going to confirm into ekhulunywa lapha